All right, this week we've got curried Chinese long beans with black-eyed peas, courtesy of Padma Lakshmi, Tangy, Tart, hot and sweet. Let's go. So in case you were wondering, these are Chinese long beans. We're going to cut these up into 1-inch pieces. All right, so we're going to fire in about 2 tablespoons of canola or any other neutral oil over medium heat. And then we're going to throw in some mustard seeds. And we're going to cook these guys until they start popping in the pan. Okay, so the mustard seeds are starting to pop, which is our sign to move on to the next. So we've got about 2 cups of onions. We've got some minced ginger. We've got some curry powder. And about 15 curry leaves. And some sliced garlic. And now we're going to toss that all up. Okay, we've been cooking for about 5 minutes. And now we're going to add in our 4 plum tomatoes that have been quartered. And then we're going to cook it for about another 5 minutes. Okay, so we've been cooking for another 5 minutes. The tomatoes are cooked down. And now it's time for those Chinese long beans that we've cut into 1-inch segments. We're going to mix it all up and we're going to cook this for about 20 minutes. All right, we're about 20 minutes in, and now we're going to add some canned black-eyed peas. And we're going to cook this for about the last 5 minutes. Okay, so we're all done. We're seasoned up. And now it's time to plate up. Okay, the kitchen smells amazing, so let's give these guys a try. That's really nice. It's like it's not like a very overpowering curry flavor. It's just slightly there in the background. It's a great little side dish. So, yeah, tangy tart, hot and sweet. Chinese long beans, curried Chinese long beans with black-eyed peas is a success.
Where one random cookbook decides what's for dinner, and destiny decides the rest. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Cookbook Roulette adventures.